Okay, welcome one and all. So this is a problem session on a power set. Okay. So here the given set A is equal to A comma set A. So set A contains two elements and there are lots of sub problems are given to solve. So in this case the first one is calculate P of A. So that is the power set of A. After calculating the first or after solving the first problem, we will be able to answer the other ones. Okay. So from the problem 2 to 6, all are like a true false problem that we have to solve. Okay. So we will solve the problem 1 first. So I will jump to next page and there I will write here the set A is equal to A comma set A. So just here power set of A is denoted by P of A. Then so here first element will be the phi. As per the definition, there are two standard sets which are subset of a particular set, that is phi comma a set itself, that is A. So I will write A. You can write here this whole set that is shown in blue line. So you can write that whole thing. So I will write it in a short form as a. So these two. Then we have to go for the elements which are present here in. So here the first element is a normal A element. So I will write directly A. So this will be for this. So this second will be inside a double curly brackets A. So as it contains two elements, the power set of A contains only four elements. So here phi is the first element, A is the second element. Set A will be for this element. Set inside double curly brackets A will be for this particular element. Okay. So this is the answer of the first statement. Power set of A is equal to this thing. Again, I will go to the page 2. What we have to check here, phi belongs to power set of A. So what we want here, whether phi belongs to power set of A. So here phi is present as an element. So the answer of the first, we have solved this problem. Answer of this particular problem second is true. So phi is present as an element in the power set. Second, whether phi is a subset of power set of A. Yeah, okay, again it is true because phi is a subset of every set and power set is also a special type of set. So phi is an element of power set and phi is also a subset of power set. Third problem, A belongs to power set of A. Whenever the symbol will comes belongs to, we have to check as it is that particular element is present or not. So I will here check. Here if you check, this is this thing, this particular box in green color, it shows that power set of A contains a set A as element. Power set of A contains set A as a element. So here this is also the true. This is also the true. After that, the fifth one, check whether power set of A contains A comma inside curly brackets A as an element. Okay, so if you concentrate on this thing, so what this set is, so I will here check whether okay. So if you look at this particular set, this set is A comma set A is same as this particular set. So here power set of A contains A. Okay, so again, so what it means, A belongs to power set of A. So it is that this statement is also true. So if we compare the fifth one with the given set, we will be able to answer that particular thing. Again, the last one here, there are three curly brackets. We have to check whether this is the subset of power set of A. So for this purpose, what we have to go? We have to go again to the definition or the problem here. So here, if you concentrate on this particular set, it is written in double curly brackets. So what it means, inside these double curly brackets, this particular thing is present as an element in power set. This particular thing shown in the purple underline is present as an element in the power set. When this becomes the as a subset, whenever I will write this particular thing in this particular form. So here whenever you will write this particular thing in this form, so this will be the subset of P of A. Okay, so here this is the element, and whenever we will cover up with the curly brackets, it will become a set. So for this, the last problem, again the answer is true. Okay, so here we have solved all the problems. The first one, we have solved the power set of A. Second, we have seen all the problems in form of true or false. Again, you can add here a justification how this particular thing is true. Okay, so that will be the additional thing.